Here I've got ASUS ZenFone Max Pro M1 and let me show you how to enable power saving mode on the following device. So at first you can do it quickly through the upper bar, simply slide down to open it and then locate battery saver. Simply click on it and from now on your phone is in power saving mode. Then if you would like to switch it off, simply tap on the same icon one more time. However, you can also open power saving mode through the settings. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, go to the battery and now select the battery saver. You can simply activate it by tapping on this tab. So simply tap and then tap one more time to switch it off. But if you will click on battery saver over here, you can also pick some automatic rules. So click on set up automatically and you can either choose 5 or 15% of your battery. I will pick 15, so from now on, every time your battery is lower than 15%, battery saving mode will be automatically activated. And that's basically all this, how you can use and personalize power saving mode in your ASUS ZenFone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.